Alright, so you like riding your dirt bike off-road or your dual sport off-road, and you like riding and it gets dark and you want to keep riding. Well, my bike has a headlight and it's an LED and it's pretty good, but sometimes you want even more because nothing's ever enough in life. Get yourself some pod lights. How you gonna mount them? I don't know. Make yourself some brackets. Your bolt spacing here is 20 millimeters. The holes are M8. Or you can pay $30 for some brackets, no bigger than these. I made these for free. Alright, so how do you wire it? Well, we'll start from the battery. On the positive side, we got an inline fuse there. I'm gonna put like a 3 amp fuse or something because these lights don't draw that much. We also are tapping into the negative here because I don't want to interfere with the bike's wiring much, so I've only cut one wire on the bike. So we've got our positive and our negative. They all go into this nice pretty harness I made. I run that all around, and depending on the bikes, figure that out yourself. Good luck. So up here we've got our positive, this yellow wire, and this red connector here. That's for the negative side. The negative goes to the lights, and it goes to the handlebar switch, which will be connected here. That's the only thing the negative's for. The only thing the positive is for is supplying power to the relay. It only supplies one side of the relay. So let me get to this, alright? This red wire here going to this plug. This plug is for your handlebar switch. This red wire is the wire that supplies your headlight switch. This feeds the power to go to either high or low beam. We've tapped into that so that basically anytime your key is on, this red wire has power because the light's on anytime the bike is on. So you can only turn these extra lights on when your headlight's on. Makes sense to me, right? So that's the only wire on the bike you have to tap into. I put a quick connector on either end so I can unplug this and plug it into itself and pretend this was never here. And it'll be like this was never there. So yeah, all we have here is positive and negative going to these lights. Relays here. As you can see, I've wrapped everything up pretty tight. And that's how you do it. Good luck.